Those little black dots in there, those are the roots of the wart. So you might begin to see more as it starts healing.
Videotape it.
Videotape it? Oh, it's going to be really fast.
Did I go?
No.
Feels good?
No, it hurts.
It
Big.
Does it feel like an ice cube on your foot?
No,
What's it feel like?
I don't know.
Something. I'm going to just do it twice, okay? So one more time.
Can't hurt that bad. You're not crying, so.
Penny.
No, you can't do this right now, but I'm going to do this Friday.
Well, that's it.